Alright guys, we're back. We got the E-1. We got a new gearbox. I ordered one about 2 weeks ago and it finally came in. And also my replacement switch that I got from WPL. If you guys have a problem with any of your RCs straight out the box, email them and they will supply whatever was missing or whatever was broken. Just get a hold of them through your emailing. And I want to give a good shout out to freaking WPL also, because I asked for a whole bunch of WPL stickers so I could throw these in with like 3D print orders, or put some on some custom job, custom WPLs. And then I ordered another ESC because, as you guys already know, we are going to make this amphibious E-1, but we're going to go a different route with that motor. But so let's open her up, because I had a couple people ask what my setup was for how I was making it float and stuff. So let's pull her apart real quick. This weight back here, it's a 3/4 ounce weight, fishing weight. I used it as a counterweight because you got your gearbox and stuff all up front. So when you're sitting in the water, your nose heavy, so you gotta do something about the weight distribution. I just chose to throw a fishing weight on the back, which works really well. It sits about level, but I also put a lot more pool noodles in the front, so than in the back, so the front would float a little bit more, because I was hoping that would solve it, but it didn't. I had to add the weight. So yeah, there we go. This is what my E-1 looks like underneath. Hold on, let me get this the lights off. Come on. Come on. It wants to come, I just don't want to mess this plug up. There it goes. Alright. So pretty much, yeah. Oh yeah, I gotta do my switch as well, so I gotta pull this one. There we go. I'll pull the switch off real quick. Ooh, there we go. Let's throw this new switch in. Oh, that's way shorter. I wonder if that will reach still. It's close. I might have to solder more other wires on there, but yeah. So we've got the E-1 right here. We've got pool noodles pretty much lined as close as to the top of this as possible, and then they're glued in, so they don't move or shift to one side. But let's pull this gearbox out. Oh, what was that? Let me see what's up. Oh, it's a tow hook. Or a tow ring. What's that? Alright. I'll pull this gearbox out. Drop that. Alright, we're good on this, right? Yeah. For now. Alright, so let's get this gearbox out. Let's take these tracks off first. so yeah. I can't believe how fast I got Kermit going today. I put the D12 transmission in there and whoo, man, she flies. Yeah, see, that's a lot of rattling and stuff. I don't like that. I'm gonna have to come up with something for that. But it might just be my gearbox too. We're gonna find out though. There we go. Oh. Thing's dirty. Alright, there we go. Get all those out so we don't lose those. So it was this left side that was slipping. We're going to use the same motors we used before. There we go. Slide that bad boy out. There we go. So hold on a minute. We got this other transmission. I'm going to use these same motors until they burn out. I honestly don't. Okay, I am recording. Ooh, there we go. I don't want to waste the motors. And just throw the gearbox away, you know what I mean? Alright, this one goes like this. So this would go, yeah, that way. How's that? That one's still free. Yeah, that's in. Alright, now let's pull this other one out. There we go. Put that one in there. There we go. Alright, got both of those in. Alright, let's do this drive. Alright, well, there we go. Take this thing off. Oh, that's all that is? That's crazy. I didn't even think it was going to be like that. Alright, so let's go. What did I do with those? Take a break real quick.